Welcome back, guys. I apologize for the wind. It is super windy out here. When you have this much acreage surrounding a property, there is nothing to stop the wind. Anyway, that is not the point of this video. I'm just out here getting ready to chop up some leaves. So, I got a visit earlier from Farmer Fred, an old man, super nice guy. And the reason he stopped was he had been searching for a 7/8 fine thread nut to get his piece of John Deere equipment back into operating order. It goes on the end of a hydraulic cylinder on the rod. So I did some calling around. He dug through my junk, but we did some calling around, and I finally located some in another town close by at a local farm store. And the reason he was searching and driving around was John Deere will not sell you the nut. They sell you a $1,300 cylinder, and all you need is the nut. This is exactly what we're talking about with right to repair, and this is ridiculous, period. No excuse for it, and that's their model. You know, they want to make money off of everything. Everything needs to go back to the dealership, or you need to have one of their service techs come out 3 weeks later when you're trying to do stuff today. So keep fighting, guys.